Every day, you watch videos regarding manifestation. You have heard about many techniques, you know them, and you have used them, but still, something feels missing. Some of you are tired of applying these techniques because you think nothing is happening. You think this way because you miss out on one important concept. Understanding this will connect all the dots for you. After watching this video, you will get to know that there is always movement in external reality when you are manifesting something. You would stop repeating the old story, doubts would disappear, and your desires would turn into reality. Like you, when I was new to the law, after hearing about it from YouTube videos, I always felt like there was something missing, even after knowing all of this. Due to my limited perspective, I doubted the power, always checked the 3D for movement, and never had faith. But when I came across this concept and understood it, every dot connected, and I became faithful when manifesting. You too will surely experience the benefits of it. The concept that helped me is parallel reality quantum jumping or quantum shifting. You might have come across these terms when you started learning about manifestation. You read it and watched the videos, but you never understood them in depth. You never sat for a moment and thought about them. Well, for me, understanding them suspended my disbelief when it came to manifestation. It made things clear. It was like a light bulb moment for me. Everything became bright and easy. But what does the parallel reality theory convey that connects all the dots when it comes to manifesting? Well, this concept simply states that there are infinite realities that coexist every moment. Every decision you make shifts you into a different reality. This means that, in one reality, you are a very famous personality. In another, you are just a normal person who works from 9 to 5. In yet another, you are a business tycoon. And in some other reality, you are just a person who is working on daily wages. These are just the 4 realities that I made you aware of. Like them, there are countless others that are coexisting right now. This means that there are countless versions of you existing right now. Out of those countless versions, you have chosen a specific version that is right now expressing itself in your current reality. But that does not mean you are stuck in this reality. It means that every decision you make right now will shift you to a different reality, or, if you look at it the other way, it will change your current version, your current personality, which in turn will change your personal reality. In simpler terms, if you want to manifest a specific person and you were thinking that it was impossible because you broke up with them, they rejected you, or they blocked you, then worry no more because what I am about to tell you will blow your mind. Like I already told you, there is a concept of parallel reality, or multiverses, which means there are multiple universes. You can apply this concept to your current relationship situation. Right now you are feeling that you have lost your specific person forever, but that is not the case because in your current reality you have only selected a version of them that rejects you, blocks you, or hates you. They are appearing in your life in that manner because you chose that specific version of them. When there are multiple realities and multiple versions of you, then there are multiple versions of your specific person too. Life in the universe is not limited but abundant. Our human logical mind thinks that nothing can be changed because it only perceives a very small fraction of information as compared to the subconscious mind. This means that our subconscious mind is far more powerful than our logical conscious mind. You might have heard that you have to impress your subconscious mind, which can be done through your conscious effort. If used properly, the conscious mind can bring changes to the subconscious mind, which in turn will manifest the reality you want for yourself. Anyway, when you just sit quietly and think about this concept of multiple reality, you will realize that manifesting is so easy and everything is always working in your favor. You will realize why people say that everything is possible, you can get whatever you want or everything you want exists. You will understand almost every philosopher's ideology. You will understand those deep quotes because, until now, you were thinking that reality was just physical. You saw it only on the basis of your perception and got evidence of it every day. So, whatever you want right now, whatever you desire, is very much possible. A version of you is already enjoying the things that you want. A version of you already has the person you want. A version of you is traveling the world. While there is a version of you that is living in the kind of house that you want, in order to get all of this, you have to shift yourself to that version of yourself. People call it quantum jumping or shifting to parallel realities. You can also make this shift right now, because now you will look at manifesting differently than you did before. The limitations of your mind will start disappearing, and you will notice abundance all around you. Now that you can imagine the different realities, you will know that everything is possible. You will now realize that movement is happening even if you cannot see it with your physical sense, and you can get whatever you desire in your life. Now, you will understand that when you apply some technique, let's say affirming or visualizing, you are literally shifting to that parallel reality, or becoming the version of yourself that possesses everything that you desire. It is that easy, it is that simple. All it requires is persistence. You have to persist in those affirmations and visualizations. Neville calls it the feeling of a wish fulfilled. Persistence in that state is required because the power that you call God does not discriminate. It provides you with what you are conscious of. If you remain conscious of your limitations and only see what you see in your physical reality, then you will manifest the same things in your reality again and again. But if you want to manifest something different, then you have to think differently. Then you have to become conscious of it, and you can become conscious of it only in your imagination. You can experience it by feeling it, touching it, seeing it, and smelling it right now and here in your imagination. When you imagine experiencing your desire, you are becoming conscious of it. When you become conscious of it, you manifest it. It is that simple. So, stop worrying if what you want seems impossible to you because you can get it. Always remember that you are simply shifting to a different reality when you manifest your desire. You are just getting into a state of having your wish fulfilled so that it becomes your dominant state. It is because you have to maintain a state of being to experience that desire. Downfall in life is always the result of a pessimistic mindset, while success is always the result of an optimistic mindset. Your mindset, or state of being, will always be the cause of success or failure in your life. Shift to the reality you want by closing your eyes and imagining experiencing the world that you would experience once you manifested what you wanted. If your specific person is with some third party, then worry no more because it can be changed. Just apply the teachings of parallel reality to your situation. You just got into a reality where the two of them are together. In one reality, they are just friends. In yet another, they are complete strangers. And in another, they don't even exist. In this manner, you would shift yourself to a new reality. But always remember that you don't have to keep your specific person on a pedestal. You are the main character of your movie. You have to make yourself great. You have to feel fulfilled within. Only you can make yourself happy and satisfied. No amount of wealth or people can make you calm within. Only you can do it. Practice is essential when manifesting something. You have to practice your affirmations and visual scenes on a daily basis. On day 1, you might not be able to visualize holding your specific person. Just try picturing the scenario in your mind. On day 2, it will get easier, and you might be able to see them in your imagination. On day 3, you might be able to focus on their birthmarks or some features that make them unique. On day 4, you might be able to feel their skin. On yet another day, you might be able to feel their warmth. When you practice this, you are persisting in that vision and making it a reality. Day by day, you are adding details to this scenario that will manifest in your reality. There is always movement in reality. Sometimes you can witness it through your physical senses, but sometimes you cannot. But after understanding that you are shifting to a parallel reality, you can feel relief as your imagined scenes harden into facts. There are countless versions of you living in various realities. Wherever your attention is flowing, wherever you are putting your focus in this very movement, you are manifesting it. You are walking into a new reality by doing so. You can choose to live your life miserably by repeating the old stories of what went wrong and how your life is worse as compared to your colleagues, friends, and cousins. On the other hand, you can imagine yourself having a new story where everything is working out well. You have all the things you desire, and you are enjoying life and feeling happy by rearranging your mind and focus. This is how you transform your world. With this, I wish you to bring changes to your life and do good for yourself and others in your life. Subscribe to watch more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.